Hi, I'm Victor, founder of JerryJoy. We make virtual companions for the elderly. So software doesn't have to be tough. And today, we're going to learn how to set the default search engine in the URL bar for Firefox to Google. Now, sometimes this can get changed if you install some not so nice software, right? So a lot of the times, a lot of the free software out there will change your home page or change your search provider, things like that. And it's kind of annoying, so you can just change it back. So here's how you do that. You go into your Firefox, and whatever the search provider is now, I'm just going to show you how to change it back to Google. And this is based on a nifty little thing where if you type into your address bar google.com /search and then $Q equals whatever. You can put whatever you want there, like test, and it'll run a Google search for test. So it's kind of based on that. And so if you remember this google.com /search $Q equals, what you can do there is you can go into the Firefox settings by typing into your URL bar about : config and press enter. And then it says, this might void your warranty, like, as if you had a warranty on Firefox anyways. So I'll be careful, I promise. So click that. And now you're into here. And then you type in keyword dot. And you'll notice down here one of the things is keyword.url. So you just want to click on there. And then under value, you might see something that's not Google. You might see some crazy search engine that was installed by some malicious software. So you just want to type into here, google.com /search $Q equals, just like you see here, and hit enter or hit OK, and that's it. Now, when you are typing in your URL bar, you will find that I'm using Google. And if you hit enter, you just did a Google search for I'm using Google. So it's that easy. I'm Victor Wang from JerryJoy here in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and you just learned how to set your search engine back to Google.